Hey, I'm Reed Wilson, principal broker of the Wilson Group, and I wanted to take a few minutes to give you a 7-day snapshot of what's happening in our market. So I know a lot of people, again, watch the news and say everything's kind of coming down or whatever. And while home prices are coming down slightly, this is not 2008. So I thought I'd start a series about giving 7-day snapshots so you can have the information directly from the market itself. So with that being said, let's just jump into it. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So here's a snapshot. I'm only going to focus on the Metro Richmond area, Chesterfield, and Henrico, okay? If there's another area that you'd like information on, just comment, reach out, text your agent, and we'll be happy to give you that information. So, but just know the information that we're going to discuss today is only Richmond Metro, Chesterfield County, and Henrico County. 7 days. So we're not talking about last month. We're not talking about 2 weeks ago. In the last 7 days, this is what we're seeing. I'm going to skip down to the middle of the line. New listings are 219. That means we've had 219 residential homes and or condo townhomes come on the market. Under contract in the last 7 days is 232. What does that tell us? Well, if you're sitting there, confused or guessing, or maybe you guessed the right answer, we're actually selling more homes than listed, which is great. That's what we want to see. What we were seeing in the springtime was, this could be new listings 100 and under contract 200. Like that was such, bonkers. But we were seeing this huge influx of going under contract versus what was coming on the market. Not enough inventory. But what we're seeing now is homes are still selling, right? So this is data directly from the MLS and the market. In the last 7 days, the market has sold 240 homes. So you see, we're about average in numbers. So when we're now starting to talk about this is a great time to sell and a great time to buy, like we're on that cusp of it being a good recipe for both parties, okay? So another piece of information I want to talk about is the average sales price of Richmond, Henrico, Chesterfield. So let's go down. In Chesterfield, for the month of September, we don't have October's data yet because we're still in it. But for the month of September in the county of Chesterfield, the average sales price was $406. Henrico, $393, and Richmond Metro, $403. Now, if you look, kind of come back a couple months, yeah, the average sales prices were higher. Homes were selling super fast, multiple offers, people going over list price by a good amount. So what we're seeing is the average sales price is still great, but also not as high as it was a few months ago. Next piece of data I want to leave you with is the days on market. Okay. Coincidentally, in the month of September, the average days on market. Yes, we know things may sell a little bit longer. Yes, we know things may want to come in a little bit, slower, but average sales price for the month of September is 7 days across the board. That's kind of weird. That's kind of a coincidence, but homes are selling. So if you're selling a home, make sure that you're pricing it right. We're doing the home prep. Any one of us from the Wilson Group, we're going to guide you on the best practices to get your home ready for market, professional photography, and more, right? Because we want to make sure that we are staying in line with the market. If you're thinking about selling and you're in Chesterfield County and we're looking at a $500,000 or plus home, well, great. Is your neighborhood, and we can really get, detailed with these reports of getting it super accurate to your specific neighborhood, your zip code, to make sure that we are staying ahead and or with the market and not chasing it, right? So hopefully this information helps you a little bit. That's a good snapshot. We're going to continue this series every 7 days. So if we have any questions, please reach out. You can check us out or search homes or get your home value at thewilsongrouphomes.com. That is thewilsongrouphomes.com. Follow us on Facebook. We're always going to put a lot of great information there. So thank you and have a great day.